All of us, in a sense, struggle continuously all the time, because we never get what we want. The important thing which I've really learned is how do you not give up, because you never succeed in the first attempt. In the journey of an entrepreneur, the most important thing is self-belief, and the ability to convert that belief into reality. I think our fundamental belief is that for us growth is a way of life and we have to grow at all times. It is important to remember that there are no overnight successes. You will need to be dedicated, single-minded, and there is no substitute to hard work. All times are good times for those who know how to work and have the tools to do so. Dance to your own music and take some risks in life, because it is often the risk taker who changes the course of history and contribute to the well-being of millions of lives. Everybody has equal opportunity, and I think that is true for everything. I don't think ambition should not be in the dictionary of entrepreneurs. But our ambition should be realistic. You have to realize that you can't do everything. You have to manage money, particularly with market economies. You may have a great product, but if your bottom line goes bust, then that's it. I generally think that I should only speak by action and not by words. The organizational architecture is really that a centipede walks on 100 legs and one or two don't count. So, if I lose one or two legs, the process will go on, the organization will go on, the growth will go on. Profit or loss is not guaranteed. That depends on the consumer and depends on the product. That's a risk that business people take. Digital life and digital services are a multi-wave business. Essentially, whoever is successful, whoever is going to do things that make a difference, is going to be talked about. Today I see 1 billion people as 1 billion potential consumers, an opportunity to generate value for them and to make a return for myself. I am personally a big believer that technology is the biggest driver of human development, and if you can use technology to benefit people, then that's the best business you can have. I have always believed that technology drives human civilization's endeavor and progress. My obsession is with technology and how it can improve human life. In my view, what we have seen in the last 300 years is only a trailer. Mobile internet will be the single most defining technology of this century for human development. At Reliance, we have always believed in investing in the businesses of the future and in investing in talent. Mahatma Gandhi's dream of self-reliance can be attained by making use of internet and technology. Broadband and digital services will no longer be a luxury item, a scarce commodity, to be rationed amongst the privileged few. I'm a Mumbai boy. On its streets I learned to stand up for myself, in its roadside stalls I learned to bargain, in its commercial centers I learned business, and in its cinemas I learned to dream. I have turned into a big nature fan as well. I can afford it more today. These childhood influences have shaped me into what I am today. Relationships and trust. This is the bedrock of life. It is important to achieve our goals, but not at any cost. I guess when you are left on your own, you find your true potential. I remember my father never came to our school even once. I personally think that money can do very little. And this has been my experience all across.